Hey everyone, this is Tom from Chaseki and we're broadcasting live from our tea house here in Chiang Mai. And today I would like to introduce you to a tea that we just recently received from our friends from Obubu. It's a Kukicha and the name of this fabulous tea is called Mejiro. And I'm going to test the tea together with you now. This is not the original tea canister. This is, I just filled it up so it stays fresher for a longer time. And I already prepared a little bit here so you can have a closer look. This is actually how the tea looks like. So very fine green, nice color, and we're going to try this now. I already prepared the kyuso. I put 5 grams of the tea in here, and this is not typical Japanese style, but I think it's easier to judge the tea basically if I have it in a sharing cup. So what I want to do is I set the timer for 1 minute and I have water at a temperature of 70 degrees. I'm just going to pour that in here and give that whole thing a nice steep. Alright, there we go. Exactly 200 ml. And the smell of the tea is incredible. It's very nice, fresh cut green grass, a little bit of hay. I definitely get, even from the smell now, I get notes of like nutty notes, a little bit fruitiness in there. So I'm really looking forward to try this. Actually, I haven't tried this one before, so this is going to be a premiere for me as well. And we just have to bear another 16 seconds and we get closer to the results. Obubu is quite a unique tea factory actually. I think they have pretty cool products that are not typical for the Japanese tea production. I will review more of their teas in the future. As for now, I'm just gonna give the whole thing a pour. Very nice color. The smell. very creamy, buttery, fresh. Little bit of hay notes in there. And I'm just gonna put this by side. So you can see this is the color of the tea. Very nice green color, and I'm gonna give this a try now. 1 and 2, 1 for me and 1 for our cameraman or camera woman. Behind the camera is my beautiful wife JJ, and I hope in our next future videos she will be in front of the camera as well, and maybe she can do something in Thai so our Thai customers can experience the great teas and the knowledge that we have to share as well. All right, let's try this tea. I can see a lot of essential oils on top of the surface. Very nice. Smooth, no bitterness, a lot of sweetness to it. As I mentioned before, I definitely get the nuttiness in the tea, and a lot of vegetal flavors, a little bit like green tomato, unripe tomato. That's pretty much, yeah. So it has that buttery aroma, the smell, but also the flavor is buttery, creamy. A very strong natural sweetness to the tea leaf, but additionally it has this very savory nuttiness and this vegetal undertone. As I mentioned, a little bit like unripe tomato. Yeah, definitely a very nice tea. And if you have further questions, please comment in our comment box below or send us a direct message. I also encourage you to follow us on our YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you get an information every time that we upload a new video. Also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/chaseki.tea, on Instagram at chaseki.tea, and yeah, so that will be all for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, have a nice day, a nice evening wherever you are, and always drink the good stuff. See you. Bye-bye.